Hello, we are Omnisenders, and we would like to tell you our story. We focus on taking action, not just being in motion, and we believe that done is better than perfect. At Omnisend, we work together like a sports team. We learn, we build, we measure, and we succeed. We want to win, achieve, and seize the moment together. We set aside our personal egos and put team results first. And we always focus on our customers. We constantly adapt in a changing environment. And we're fast, not just in making cookies, by the way. We act in the best interest of Omnisend. We evaluate, initiate, and complete. Being a team of diverse individuals, we empower our differences and unleash creativity, and provide candid feedback. And that makes us a strong team, a team of Omnisenders. Join us, and please accept our cookies. Omnisend.